What's up, guys? Sammy Cool back with another video. I'm sorry if I talk a little weird. It's because I had the hiccups. So it's gonna be weird. And here's my cape from my profile costume on YouTube, my account. And yeah, this is my bedroom. There's like tons of stuff in here. I don't know. There's my stuff. If you never heard of Bakugans, I have one. Well, I have two, but I just don't know where the other one. This is how you evolve them. See this into their normal self. See this? There's an arrow. Put it on middle, and it sticks, and then it turns into whatever it is. And this one is a dragon. So I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. So just watch. Put the legs back. Put his tail up in front. And then put his wings down. Put his... Wait, I messed up. Sometimes I do this. It's hard recording. Put his feet up. His tail all the way down there. His wings. Then you gotta put his head down. And now his thing. There. Now he's a rolling Bakugan. Look. Sorry if it's dark. Bam. Whoa. Cool. Okay. Now, it's raining outside, so I wanted to make a video about me going outside and playing, but it's not working because it was raining, and I think it's still, I don't know. And so, yeah, if that was dark here. So, yeah, pretty much all about it. And, yeah. Oh, I'm actually gonna go outside. I know I said it was raining, but I bet it stopped, so just gonna go outside and play. Bye-bye. Sunny, let's go. Oh, yeah. Ball. Okay. Ready right now. And yeah, I have a trampoline, a swing, and basketball court, and stuff. Just stuff. That's it. Just stuff. So, I don't know how I'm gonna put you guys, but I'm gonna set up right here. Okay. Flat. So guys, I'm gonna be playing basketball. Are you guys watching me? See the winter thing? Okay. be playing soccer. I already played soccer, but I'm gonna be playing again. So just watch me make this. I told you to watch me make it, and bam, I made it. I can do one hand. It's gonna be hard. I don't know. Never mind. We'll just try. Sorry, the ball went out of the yeah, so that's gonna be video, man. So like and subscribe. If we get to 100 subscribers this time, I'll record another video tomorrow. Or a few hours, who knows. So, like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.